Welcome. So let's go to the Angular IO website. This is the official website of Angular. So here we see that it says deliver web apps with confidence. So Angular is a framework that helps us build single page applications, or in short, web apps. Web apps are different than website because web apps load like a mobile app. They don't reload the page always when you do some action. So if I click here, it loaded a new page, but it did not refresh the browser. That's how web apps work. But in the case of a website, it completely reloads the page. Hence, web apps are more user friendly in terms of look and feel. And in terms of usage, it feels like somebody is using an app on the mobile. So Angular is a framework, which means it provides you all the capability that is needed to build front-end application using reusable components. And it also provides capability to make API calls, and also it integrates with other libraries and frameworks. Let's say for styling, it connects with Bootstrap, Material UI. So how do we get started with Angular? So click on Docs, and there will be certain steps that we need to follow, of course. But before that, you can again read here. It's mentioning the same thing what we discussed. Are there alternatives to Angular building single page apps? Yes, definitely. There's Vue.js in the market, which is a framework. You can build reusable components and also build single page applications. There is React.js. It's a library, but if you go for the Next.js, which is the framework built on top of React.js. It's a framework. It provides you more capabilities. So Angular is there, but there are also other frameworks and libraries which can do the same things, but in a different way. So let's get back to how to get started with Angular. So click on this link, building your first Angular app. Yeah, of course, there are different things. Before we start, you should have some prerequisites, know HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. And then, of course, with Angular, you can build these kind of apps. How do we get started with the local development environment? This is what we will go through in the next video. Thank you.